You're joking, aren't you? It's the Teesside Chef. I'm going to make you an offer you can't refuse here. Gangster's Marinara in 90 seconds. And I've got in with any old 2 tins of tomatoes here, with a teaspoon of salt, a good pinch of pepper, and let's herb this up with a teaspoon of basil, a teaspoon of thyme, and a teaspoon of dried oregano, along with a tablespoon of soy sauce. And there's someone missing here. Maybe he went across the street or somewhere else, I don't know. Oh, here he is. It's a tablespoon of tomato puree. So get that in there and give it a good stir before chopping a medium onion coarsely, but don't put too many onions in the sauce or Paulie won't be happy, will he? And a chopped medium carrot will help make this marinara much tastier than egg noodles and ketchup if you're in the witness protection program. Plenty of coarsely chopped garlic. You don't need to slice this with a razor blade on a prison table or anything though. And a couple or 3 dried bay leaves. And then put the lid on your pan and cook away until the carrots are cooked. And if you're in a hurry, you could cut these vegetables smaller so that they cook through quicker. But they definitely do need to be cooked through, and you'll see why later on. And I'm just making sure that that carrot is nice and soft there. And don't forget to dig those bay leaves up and bury them somewhere else. And then go in with 50 millilitres of good olive oil, but keep a bit in reserve to do your hair. And then give it a good stir up, and don't let the sauce stick while DEA agents are flying over your house. And a taste test will tell you if you need to adjust the seasoning. And I'm going in with a splash of grape juice for a bit of sweetness and fruitiness here. And then I'm going to blend it all up to a smooth consistency. And that's it. Easy, creamy, rich marinara for all you wise guys and wise gals. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And now I'm going to have to turn my back on you. Ta-ra.